Isn't it amazing? Just look at these delicious cinnamon rolls. And you can make... Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing for you all another review, and this one is for the Pinsoon air oven. Now you're probably familiar with an air fryer. This one is like an oven where you can open and close it, so I'm really excited for this one. So let's get straight into unboxing this. Wow, this is really big, guys. It's big like an air fryer. Let's remove all of the plastic. So guys, let me go over the accessories with you all. So the first one that I showed you guys is this one. This is the rotisserie shaft. The second one are these clips, which are the rotisserie forks. This is number 3, which is a rotating mesh basket. So you would open the basket like so, place your items in here, close it back, and this rotates while the machine is working. This is our frying basket. It also comes with a handle attachment, so you can attach the handle on this side. When you're taking it out, you'll just put in the handle and it comes right out of here, so you don't have to hold the hot basket. Number 5 is a mesh. Oh, we have more accessories. Wow, I didn't even notice this in here. Okay, so let's open up these. That's really cool. It does come with a lot of accessories. So guys, here we have 3 pieces airflow racks. So how these would work is that they would go into these slots like this. So guys, you see how easy these went in? 3 racks in here, so you can dehydrate vegetables or you can bake items. Now, if you were baking something that's tall, then you'll need to take 2 of the top racks off and then you'll just use the bottom rack, right? But don't you like this, that just by the fact that it has these racks, it's so convenient. So you can use this as an oven or an air fryer, which I absolutely love, the double function. So let's take these racks out and let's check where the other accessories go and how they work. So this other accessory that has a spinning wheel, it's called an air diversion fan. We get 1 piece of this, and it also comes attached with a drip tray, and we have here your rotisserie fetch tool. So guys, now I want to demonstrate on using how you would use the basket if you were going to air fry something. So this is your drip tray with your fan. This fan goes at the bottom here. The drip tray is going to catch anything that falls, and you don't have to worry that the fan is going to get dirty because it is washable and it's dishwasher safe. And then the next thing that goes on top of the fan is this rack that goes right on there so that the fan is able to spin, and then in goes your basket. And remember, as I told you guys, the handle comes off, so you squeeze and you pull out, and that's how you'll go back in. You squeeze and you put it in to take it out, and all you have to do is close the machine, and then you select your desired setting, and then you would use it. So that's how you would air fry using the air oven. So okay, so to use the shaft, after you've placed your meat on this goes in like this. Once it's there, you want to turn this and lock it into place. Now these forks are going to help hold the meat that you put on the shaft in place, and then you're going to go on with the other fork. Just like this, and we're going to tighten that into place. So guys, look at it. When you put the 2 forks into place, you must leave this little this little piece out because that's where your fetch tool will go in to help you take this out of the oven. So it has to sit on that little groove like this. And then now it's very shiny in here, so it may be hard for you to see exactly what I'm trying to show you. There's this little feature here. You see this? This goes in and you put it in there like that, right? And then on this other side, this piece goes in here like this. It just slides into there. So guys, once you finish using the rotisserie, you're using your fetch tool now to go in here like this. And the fetch tool takes this out just like this. Now remember, you'll have your meat in here, so it'll stabilize it, so when you're going to take it out, it's much more smoother than what just happened. But this is how it works. The fetch tool helps you get whatever you put in out, because whatever it's coming out is going to be very hot. So now that I've showed you how to use that, and I've showed you all of the different parts, let me show you this air basket now and how this works. And to use the air basket, you will need the rotisserie shaft. So I'm going to remove the forks. So to use this, we're just going to slacken this one screw on this side because this is going to help secure the shaft into place. The shaft goes into here and comes out on the other side. You just want to shimmy it a little to help it. Right? Now it doesn't go all of the way. You'd want it to line up with a little indentation that's right here on this. Right? So once you get it lined up with that indentation, right there you'll see it, you're going to tighten this into place. And now this goes into your air fryer. The side with the screw goes on the right hand side. So we're going to go in here. Just watch what you're doing. That goes in there, and then this goes in here. Just like how we put in the rotisserie with the forks, just like that it's going to go in. Remember, the longer side stays on your right hand side. And then again, when you use this, you want to use your catch tool. And you're going to go in here. And then when you go in with your catch tool, you just catch it and you bring it out. How cool is that? Now, as I told you guys, once you have something in here, it's going to stabilize it. This is empty, it's very light, so going in and out can be tricky. So guys, I've showed you all of the accessories and how they work together with this air oven. What I want to do now is actually test out this air oven. I'm going to be using the baskets to test this out, but you can use the racks, you can use whatever you want. And today I'm going to be making some cinnamon rolls. It's not going to be a recipe for you guys. I'll link the recipe for it at the end of this video, so make sure and look out for that. So I'm going to place my cinnamon rolls in here. So guys, I just plugged in the machine. We're going to turn it on with a power button. There's this little red light. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but it's right here. So you just press that to put on the machine. Now I'm going to go in to the machine with my basket of cinnamon rolls. Remember guys, when you're putting in the basket, you want to put it with this part facing forward so that you can use your handle to get this hot basket out. So this goes into here. And all you have to do is close your oven, and we're going to select the temperature we want to bake this at. Now it's a very small cinnamon roll, so I'm going to leave it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to go for 15 minutes. If you're using packaged cinnamon rolls, please read the instructions on the package and put it accordingly, and then all you have to do is press start. Okay, and to actually use the oven, all you have to do is press the power button a second time, and that starts your oven. Can you guys hear that? It's not that noisy, but I can hear it working. So I'm going to allow the cinnamon rolls to bake, and when it's done, we'll go in, take it out, and we'll see how it worked. So guys, the cinnamon rolls are finished. And let me show you guys how to take the basket out. So remember, you have your handle and you're using it upwards like this. We're going to open the air oven and we're going to take the handle. Remember, you have to squeeze it. It goes into the slot like that and you let go to release and you pull your basket out. And there you have it, the cinnamon rolls. So let's get some glaze onto this so that it's nice and ooey gooey. So guys, what do you all think about this machine? Isn't it amazing? Just look at these delicious cinnamon rolls. And you can make anything with this machine. As I said, dehydrate, rotisserie, bake, or even air fry. It's like 4 uses in one machine. So I hope you guys, I'll say 5 uses. Remember, we have that air basket that rotates. So that's 5 uses in one single machine. It's the same size as an air fryer and it has 5 different functions. How great is that? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. If you are interested in purchasing this product, the link to purchase will be down in the description box. So make sure and click on that link. So thank you all so much. Leave me some comments in the comment section if you've ever used one of this. I want to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.